So now I'd like to show you how to use and access the toilet. So first you'll just remove these cushions and the lid will lift up here. Before using, you must top up the flush tank with water, and there's many recommended products from Thetford, or you can use apple cider vinegar available from the supermarket. Once you've opened the toilet, here we'll open to the container side, the lower half of the toilet. Once you've finished, you can close there, and there's a flush button there. When you pump this a few times, you'll see that it flushes through from the top, and you can empty into there again. To clean and separate the toilet, I'll show you on a video outside. So now I'll show you how to open and empty the cassette toilet. You just have to reach to this valve on the back side of the toilet, pull the little lever and lift up like this. Then you remove the top. Then to empty, you must go to a designated area in order to dispose. There's many on campsites, and some of the gas stations also have. You remove this cap here and pour the contents out into the drainage. Close the cap and then, making sure that the two front side pieces go in first, you just press down at the back and secure back into one piece.